jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it.
Everyone, it's Faye. So I'm currently on holiday, but whilst I was at home I forgot to film an intro for this video. So basically today I'm going to be showing some summer DIYs, including snacks and other things. And this video took me ages to edit and also film with the help of Anna, so thank you Anna. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next week. Bye!
Remember when you tried to write me off? Remember when you thought I'd take a loss? Don't you remember you thought that I would need you?
Killer. See you're getting bigger but your waist looks slimmer, and I hope it's still with you when your hair get thinner. I ain't gotta work it out, I know I'm onto a winner, and I love it when I see you sing a song in the mirror, when you play your favorite records where there ain't no filler. Chicka chai, chicka shy, DJ Dilla. Now I'm on the right track, went from a train to a limo, now we on the right track. Yeah, you should know me back in college, now I got it like that. Could've gotten sidetracked, now I'm back on my feet. If I hadn't achieved, would you pack up and leave? Now you're scratching on me, like we're Adam and Eve, playing remix to ignition in the back of the Jeep. She like the hook but she don't know the verse. She know I love it even if I never say the words.
Now and then I think of when we were together, like when you said you felt so happy you could die. Told myself that you were right for me, it felt so lonely in your company, but that was love and it's an ache I still remember. But I'll admit that I was glad it was over. But you didn't have to cut me off, make out like it never happened. Now we were nothing, and I don't even need your love, but you treat me.
stars. They spread to the sun. I miss you so much.
So that was it. I really hope you enjoyed that video. Now I'm currently on holiday in Menorca, so if you want to see holiday photos, go and follow my fan Instagram account, Faye_SFG. Also let me know in the comments what you're up to this summer, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye!